Oh, let's see if I can't get this bird without fucking screaming like a little girl. Oh shit, see, I can't even make it out the damn door. What the hell you doing getting stuck on my fucking shit for? Don't be getting stuck on my shit. You know how scared I'm gonna be to get your ass out of that? Oh my Jesus. Oh shit. No! Ah! Son of a bitch! Shit! God damn it. Will somebody come fucking help me? Oh my Jesus. Shut up, dog. Look, little bird, I'm gonna try to get you. But look, don't get me when I'm trying to get you because I'm scared just like you scared me. Alright? Oh, shut up, dog. Please. Ah! Son of a bitch! I can't even make it out the back door. How am I supposed to fucking help you, bird? Stop moving! Damn it! Stop fucking moving! Oh, I'm scared. Jesus Christ, somebody fucking help me. This bird's gonna die today because I'm scared to get the fuck outside. Oh, I'm sweating. Fucking 90 and take no mollies. Oh my God, don't move! Don't move! I'm coming, but somebody help me. Jesus Christ, I'm standing still, but I'm saying I'm moving, but I ain't moving. Oh my God. Ah, stop it! Alright. I got balls in my man. I can do this. Yeah. Ah! Shit, son of a bitch. I'm telling you, please stop moving. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Jesus, take the bird. Take the bird, Jesus. Just do it, Jesus. Help me out. Ah, shit. Oh, fucking Jesus. How the hell did you get it? Ah, fuck. Shit, Jesus. Oh my gosh. Look, I'm putting this chair here. I am scared to death. He thought this bitch was a snake or something. Oh my God. Oh, shit. Woo! I was sweating too. He thought I was out here doing gymnastics. Oh my God. How the fuck did you do that? Oh my God. Shit. Oh my goodness. Jesus Christ. Oh my goodness. Oh shit. Oh, you fucking bird. You fucking bird. Shut up, dog. Oh shit, Jesus. Oh Jesus. Oh my God, get out of there. Oh my goodness. This is taking too long. Oh, fuck. Ah! Yeah, I hear you. Shut the fuck up. I'm trying to save your ass. Nobody told you to get in the damn crab net. Fucking asshole. Now I'm gonna cut it. Oh my God, I'm fucking sweating. Alright, bro, let me get some scissors. Nicole gonna be pissed off at you. Y'all have this know that I'm cutting the shit because of this bird, not because of me, right? Alright. Get back! Yeah. Oh my Jesus, I'm fucking, look at this sweat. Get in the house. Get your ass up in there. Get in there. Alright. Don't move a little bit. Ah! You son of a bitch. I said don't move! Jesus fucking Christ. Hold on. Ah! Shit! I just said fuck stop moving! Oh my God, somebody help me, Jesus. Ah! Ah! Son of a bitch. Oh my gosh. Alright already, damn. Dude, you better like fucking like, as soon as I clip your ass, you better get the fuck out of here and like, don't scare me. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. I'm a fucking animal doctor man now and shit. I just woke up, I just want a cup of coffee. I don't want a bird, I want a cup of coffee. Hell, I'm like medicine doctor, bird saver. Dude, you bite my ass, I'm gonna freak out, I'm gonna get a bat, I'm gonna tell you stay still, and I'm gonna knock your ass out. Oh my God. How in the hell did you get yourself in this situation? Huh? You're all tied up, you fool. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, stop moving! Jesus Christ. Oh my gosh. Ah, shit. Shut up, dog. I'm in the operating room. They ain't got dogs in the operating room. Shut up. You distracted me. Go. Can you go? Can you go? Hey, get your motherfucking ass off my property, bitch. You trespassing. Oh my God. Where's your little leg at, dude? Oh my goodness. Shut up, dog. I'm scared just like this thing's scared. Jesus Christ. Ah! Oh my gosh. Are you bleeding? Is that blood? Huh? God damn it. Hey, you keep doing that, you keep putting yourself in it or something. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. I'm like sweating, scared, hot. Like, you think this is a snake or something. Like, I ain't even in the water and you in my crab net. What the fuck? Who does that? You must be one of them homeless birds looking for a shelter or something. Alright, try it. Try it. Oh, you got this side. Oh, fuck. It's hot out here, y'all. Whoever's inside, like, and they can't enjoy the weather today, that must be sucking. Because it's like, I'm sweating my balls off. I just got out the shower. Alright, hold on, birdie, hold on. We almost there, yeah! Look at that! Ah! This almost bit me, shit! Oh my God. Go, go, go. Oh my God, don't make me have to bury your motherfucking ass, go. Come here. Come here, come here, come here. Come here, you still got it right around your wing, you dumbass. Oh my gosh. Now I want a fucking goose hunt like a fucking, like a CO or something looking for an inmate or some shit. Come here. You stop moving, bitch. I'll cut your head off for all this. I'm just joking.